Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can upload longer videos on Instagram Reels. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Play Store and you need to search for the Instagram. Click on that and you need to update Instagram application first. Once you update it, you simply need to go back and open Instagram application. Click on the plus icon in the bottom. You are on the Reel section and then you simply need to click here, Reel. Select the video clip, click on edit video. So here it is, and if you want to add another, you simply need to click here, select another video, and it will be added. So the maximum length that you can add is up to 90 seconds. So here you consider 39 seconds. Let me add one again. It's 55 seconds. So now you can see that 1 minute and 11 seconds. So by this, let me add one again. It's 1 minute and 30 seconds. But if we are going to add another, it is not possible. So here you can see that the limit is of 90 seconds. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.